Welcome to San Antonio. Viva Fiesta!
Skies are big and the stars are bright. We are deep in the heart of Texas. It's warm and sunny and the height of the wildflower season. So we will be cycling through San Antonio and seeing some incredible top-rated sites and learning a bit of some unusual history. So we're gonna have some fun today. Let's go riding in San Antonio. Yeehaw! Trees, everything's big in Texas. So we're gonna see 4 Spanish missions dating back as far as 1720. The best part about all of this is we are going to wind along the San Antonio River on a paved bike trail, and this connects all the missions. So the missions are not churches, but a whole community lived here with the church at its core. San Jose is 300 years old and it's the queen of all missions here. And it's for good reason. It's so beautiful. It's got beautiful architecture, flying buttresses, and castle-like facade. So on this property somewhere is the Devil's Bridge. And we're gonna try to find it. We can't find the Devil's Bridge. We asked a ranger and she claims she doesn't know anything about it. We're going to pretend that this is Devil's Bridge. The Devil's Bridge of San Antonio holds the legacy of being constructed by the devil himself. The place is known to be smelly of sulfur. Ugh. If you throw a rock from the end of the bridge, you never hear it fall. Got a rock. I don't hear anything. Nothing, no sound. You are so adorable. So the missions are built here by the Spanish crown to colonize this land, and they sent the Franciscan monks here to evangelize the Native Americans who lived here. Mission conception 1755, and this is America's oldest unrestored stone church. People are comfortable enough to just drop their bikes in front of the missions and walk inside. I don't think I would do that with my Brompton. You are too comfortable. Oh, gorgeous. Eccentric millionaire who founded Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio is buried here. His name was Tom Slick. The reason why we talk about him is because he bankrolled several expeditions exploring signs of Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, and the Abominable Snowman all across the globe. He was interested in studying levitation too for construction purposes. So you want to demonstrate some levitation there? I'm not doing that. Ceramic tree, that's amazing. Mission Espada. As we're so glad that San Antonio is a designated World Heritage Site to protect all these missions for future generations to appreciate. Overall, there are so many great bike trails and sites to explore in San Antonio. With a little planning, you can create a unique and memorable tour that will give you a real sense of the city's character and history, or you could just use our tours. Did we see all the missions? Mission possible! Woo!